Want to speed up your editing time in Lumafusion? You gotta color your clips before you edit. Let's find out in this video why should we do it and how should we do it. Let's go! Okay, I'm in Lumafusion. Now, the default color of any clips is blue. Okay, if I drag this clip on right here, right, it will be blue. That's the default color. Now, to make your editing time easier, I usually categorize my clip into basically three colors, three main colors that I like to use. The first one is your A roll, okay? This is your main roll, okay? Your main camera. Now, if you have multiple cameras, it's best for you to color differently, okay? For me, right now, if I do this setup right here, right, three different cameras right here, right, I will have a different color for each one. The main camera, B camera, and C camera, okay? I will have a different colors for each of them, okay? So it's easy for me to, A, look for them, okay? B, it's beautiful on the timeline. So that's the advantage of coloring your clips. So if you do a multi-cam, that's what you do. But if you only have a roll, a talking head, okay, you color that first to the color that you want, okay? So you do it by going here, color, okay? Any clip you want, change to red, change to purple, up to you, okay? No color, it's default to blue. My second primary color is what they call the B-roll, okay? So if I have my main camera is one color, my B-roll is one color. And all my graphics or photos, I have different colors for that as well. So for me, when I want to do my fast editing, I can search for it, okay? I can allocate the resolution, okay, or the color, okay? I can sort by color, okay? Boom, right here, right? The default is red is on top, okay? So up to you, okay? But you can select whatever color you want. So default, ascending color or descending color, up to you, okay? But you can search for it. The thing is, you can search for it. Now, if you put your A roll in one color and your B roll in different color, boom, okay? If you need a B roll, you just go to the search button and all your clips are there. Makes your editing time faster if you are looking for the media. You don't have to spend too much time looking for the media. So that's the advantage. Now, with this project right here, right, what I did was I color different clips a different color. The reason why I did that was I have a exercise. Okay, you can do the exercise if you want. Link down in the description. The exercise was test out the transition duration. Okay, so right now I have no transition. 2 seconds. 4 seconds, sorry, transition, 6 seconds, transition. So basically it's the same clips all over again, so I color differently. So the purple was the first clip, okay, then teal, green, all that stuff, and I'll repeat the process. Let me show you timeline, okay. So the timeline is, you look up here, right, the fast, what do you call this, a fast selector, okay, fast timeline tracker, okay, that's what I call it, yeah? Fast timeline line tracker. Okay, there's no name for it. Okay, now, so you see the timeline right here, right? And it goes straight there, boom, that is my clip that I want, okay? So that's the beginning of this 4-frame cross-dissolve test, okay? When I go here, which I haven't done, should be a 6 seconds, okay? I haven't done there, right? How many clips are there? 6 seconds, 2 second dissolve, okay? I didn't do that, okay? But the final product is alright, okay? It's turned out quite good, okay? So that is another way you can do it, so it makes your job easier, your editing faster. Use color, please, okay? Your timeline will look better as well. Look at this, bring it on, see? Use it, okay? Want to further speed up your editing time? Check this video out right here, where I show you 22 fast way tips to make your editing workflow faster in Lumafusion, okay? Check it out right here, or see the description. I'll see you next time with another video. Bye.